welcome back to my channel, Tasty Meal by Stacy. Today we are going to be cooking a beautiful lasagna. For this dish, we're going to be using ground beef. We have 2 pounds of ground beef right here. We're also going to be putting in ricotta cheese. I have here about 20 ounces of ricotta cheese. I have 2 boxes of the oven ready lasagna pasta. We also have plenty of cheese, mozzarella cheese. We have over here 3/4 of a cup of mushroom cut very small. We also have a large onion that we're going to be using, about 6 cloves of garlic, a tablespoon of lemon pepper, a teaspoon of oregano, a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, a tablespoon of paprika, 1.5 chicken cube. We also have 2 eggs that we're going to be putting into the ricotta cheese. We have pepper up to taste. We're going to put some salt up to taste. 28 ounces of tomato sauce. We also have here 6 ounces of tomato paste. We also going to be putting Parmesan cheese. So let's go ahead and put this dish together. Let's go ahead and put about a tablespoon of oil. Let's put in the onion. Let's give it a little toss. The garlic. Six cloves of garlic. Diced very small. Let's go ahead and put in the ground beef. We put in the ground beef about 2 minutes after the onion and garlic are cooking. Let's go ahead and put some flavor into the ground beef. We have here a tablespoon of lemon pepper, a tablespoon of oregano, about a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. We have about a teaspoon of paprika. We have the heat on medium high, so right now it's time to put the mushroom. We're just going to cover and let it cook for about 4 minutes. We are putting 2 eggs on the ricotta cheese, and we are going to mix it together. We're also going to be putting a little green onion, about a tablespoon of persley, and a tablespoon of cilantro. Let's put a hint of salt, not too much, up to taste. Let's put some Parmesan cheese on the ricotta cheese. Okay, so we just put the Parmesan cheese over here, about 2 ounces, and now it looks very good. Everything is blended together. That's awesome. I tried the salt. It's perfect. We don't want it to overpower the dish with salt, so we have to be careful. Let's go ahead and check the ground beef. The ground beef is looking good with the mushroom. Oh, this is perfect. Guys, I'm just putting the tomato paste. We're going to be using the whole 6 ounces of tomato paste. Let's put some water. We use the same can that we have the paste, the tomato paste. Guys, what I have here, as you can see, is the tomato crushed. So we have some little pieces of tomato and the tomato sauce. We're going to use the can where the tomato sauce came, and we're going to go ahead and pour about the same amount of water, because we want to make sure that when it start cooking, we're going to put it on low, medium low now, and we're going to let it cook for about 20 minutes, and it's going to go down a lot. So that's why we want to make sure we put water. We don't want the sauce to dry. So this is perfect. Look at that. That's what we are looking for. Look at the little pieces of tomato. Awesome. And you can see the mushroom. So again, don't forget to just take the same can that you have, the tomato sauce, fill it with water and put it in. This is all fresh from the garden. We have basil, parsley, and cilantro. And what we're going to do, we are going to get it together. We're just going to tie it together and put it inside the sauce. Okay, just like that. And that way the flavor comes out and we can put it out later on. We don't need all this on the dish. We're just going to go ahead and put it in the sauce. Okay, just like that. Then later on, once the sauce is ready, then we take it out. That is looking good. I'm going to go ahead and cover it again, 20-25 minutes. Guys, we're going to go ahead and also pour in Sauvignon Blanc. I'm going to do about a cup of wine. This is optional. You don't have to. But this, I tell you, is a game changer when it comes to the taste of this, the ground beef for the lasagna. But again, it is optional. You don't have to. And here we go. About 1 cup of wine. So I do it at, normally I do it at this time because some people do it in the beginning when they are browning the meat. I like to do it after so that I can actually keep that nice aroma of the wine at the end. So there you go. It's time to pull these herbs out of the dish. This is just awesome. Nice thick sauce. Loose enough, just the way we needed it. Oh, here's a little extra piece of cilantro. Let's get it out. Just awesome. Wow. Nice. Let's turn this off. The oven is preheating on 375. The sauce is beautiful. So let's go ahead and put this dish together. Just put a little sauce on the bottom. Super cool. This is nice. And the smell, oh my goodness, you guys should smell this. This is like, wow. We're going to put the pasta in. I'm going to just go ahead and do this. I'm going to have to cut. It's okay if it overlap. Let's go ahead and put the sauce. It's perfect. I'm going to go ahead and put some cheese. Mozzarella cheese. As much as you want. There we go. That looks beautiful. Let's put some Parmesan cheese. Let's do the next layer. Second layers. This is just perfect. Put some cheese. Ricotta cheese. Okay, let's go ahead and put another layer of the pasta. So now we are going to go ahead. One more of meat. This is perfect, guys. This was the last layer of the meat. So right now what I'm going to do is put some more cheese into the dish. So I'm not putting ricotta on the top because it's too wet. It's too much moist. We want to keep it nice and crispy on the top because of the cheese, with the cheese. So that's why I'm just keeping the ricotta inside. We're going to also put some Parmesan cheese. It looks like I'm missing some cheese right on this end. Let's go ahead and put some more cheese. Guys, to help the process of cooking, we are going to go ahead and cover the dish with aluminum foil. We're going to put it in the oven on 375 for about 35 minutes. Okay guys, after 35 minutes, let's go ahead and take the foil off this beautiful lasagna. Ooh, wow, this is awesome. Let's go ahead and put it back in the oven. Now we're going to go ahead and put it back probably about the same amount, 30 minutes. You guys know we have to be patient when it comes to lasagna, so especially if we want to do it the old-fashioned way, that's the way to do it. Guys, I just got the lasagna out of the oven and it looks so good. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Now we just have to let it sit for a few minutes, about at least 30 minutes, because if we cut into it right now while it's hot, it's going to be a mess. It's always good to let this kind of dishes sit for a few minutes, at least, like I said, even longer than 30, but at least 30 minutes, so that everything's kind of set in place. If not, everything would be all loose and moving and all that, and you don't want that. So let's give ourselves a few more minutes and be patient. Guys, it's been 30 minutes since the lasagna been just sitting after I took it out of the oven, just waiting for it to cool down. Now I think we are good and ready to cut. Beautiful. Oh, that's awesome. Let's go ahead and put that beautiful piece of lasagna right on the dish. Let's go ahead and try this beautiful dish. Wow, very nice. It's soft, nice and rich. I mean, the ricotta cheese is not too heavy. Guys, I hope you try this dish. It was it was awesome just to make it. Challenge myself with all the ingredients that I use, like the chicken cube, the lemon pepper, but it's all part of the way I cook. So I don't want to leave those out because it just kind of boosts up the taste. Also, one thing I want to say is that wine, the dry wine that I put in, is so delicious. You can still kind of smell a little into it. Thank you for your support. Thank you for being here with me. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like, and share my video. I will see you guys on the next video. God bless. Let's eat.